SGT Times, bringing stories from campus bus to major world updates. I am Kumkum Sharma and these are today's top headlines. SGT University launches study circle with inspiring national vision lecture. PM Modi meets Indonesian President to strengthen bilateral partnership. IMD warns of heavy rain across several Indian states. Here's a detailed look at our stories. SGT University began its study circle with an inspiring lecture on building a developed India together. Here's more on this inspiring initiative.
SGT University inaugurated its Swadhyay Mandal study circle on 6 July 2026. Shri Ramlalji delivered the first lecture on Viksit Bharat mein Hamara Yogdan, encouraging every citizen to contribute towards nation building. Chancellor Shri Ram Bahadur Rai Ji, university leaders, faculty and officials attended the event, promoting learning, dialogues and responsible citizenship. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
India and Indonesia discussed stronger cooperation during PM Modi's official state visit. Here's the full report.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto in Jakarta on 7 July 2026. The leaders discussed defense, maritime security, trade, investment, and critical minerals. The meeting is part of PM Modi's three-nation visit and aims to strengthen the India-Indonesian Comprehensive Strategic Partnership and regional cooperation. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon. Welcome back. Here's what's next in the news. The Meteorological Department has issued heavy rainfall and thunderstorm warnings across many states. Let's take a look.
The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast heavy to extremely heavy rainfall across several states on 8 July 2026. Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala and many eastern states may receive heavy rain. Thunderstorms with lightning are also expected as the southwest monsoon advances further across the country. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. You're watching SGT Times, an initiative by the School of Emerging Media, Communication and Film Studies. Thank you for joining us and stay informed. See you again with more updates.